Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for LATOKEN. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice and enter the official URL for LATOKEN, which is latoken.com. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official web page of LATOKEN. Head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on sign up, and it will initiate the registration process. You can sign up for your LATOKEN by selecting the email option or by the phone number option. If you choose phone number, provide your country code and phone number and click on log. You will then need to enter a verification code sent to your mobile phone number. Similarly, if you choose by the email option, enter a valid email address in the text box. Click on the continue button once done and then set up a password for your LATOKEN account, including these criteria at the top of the screen. After entering a strong password, retyping the password on the next field once again. If you've got a referral code with you, click on this link and enter the referral code, and finally click on sign up. Now, you will need to verify your email address. Enter the code sent to your email, open up a new tab and log into your email inbox. Click open the email from LATOKEN team and copy the registration code that you received. Get back to the verification page and paste in the code. Once you are done verifying your email, you can now start exploring your LATOKEN account. So that is how you can easily sign up for LATOKEN within a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.